Leadership is being a thermostat. A thermostat is a device that controls the heating and cooling of equipment. Being a thermostat leader means that you can set the tone, mindset, and temperature of your team by having these three things. 1, temperament and discernment. 2, trusting relationships. And 3, conflict management skills. Number 1, temperament and discernment. You cannot be a thermostat for someone else until you can be one for yourself. These two traits will establish our ability as a leader to control our emotions, allowing us to find and focus on reality. One of the most important things that any leader must do is to find the truth and reality of every situation. Not allowing ourselves to be emotionally hijacked gives us the mental strength to discern the truth and find solutions to our problems. And once everyone sees that their leadership is clear and calm, then everyone will feel the security to allow them to grow in any circumstance. Number 2, trusting relationships. Just as a thermostat is connected to the machine it regulates, so too does trust connect us to the people that we lead. Trust can be established by connecting to people on a personal basis, speaking words of life into them, accentuating the positive, and being present with them by giving them your full attention. Once people trust us, they will gain a sense of security and they will become more apt to tackle their most difficult challenges together. Trust helps everyone to take another step. Once trust is established, fears will turn into fuel, then everyone will be inspired. Number 3, conflict management skills. Are you a peacemaker? A simple proverb that starts the peace process is, soft words turn away wrath, but harsh words stir up anger. So how do we resolve conflict? P-E-A-C-E, peace. P, plan a peace conference. Go with love and understanding. E, empathize with their feelings. Listen to understand, not to reply. A, attack the problem, not the person. C, cooperate. If you are wise, you will compromise. And E, emphasize reconciliation. Re-establish the relationship. These things will help the leader control the emotions, focus, and determination in a culture bombarded by any type of circumstance. Once our people know that we value a relationship with them, even in negative or ambiguous circumstances, energy will skyrocket and everyone will take another step. When our people see that we are calm and steadfast in the midst of a storm, they will be engaged and focused to take another step. To review how to be a thermostat leader. 1, temperament and discernment. 2, trusting relationships. And 3, conflict management skills. Connect with me today at findyourwinningedge.com or call me at 318-230-6481. If you need a professional speaker, leadership coach, or leaders developed to help you and your organization find your winning edge, give me a call. Thank you very much, and let's grow.